Yo, what's up guys, it's Tron here with Drumvault. Today I'm previewing the Deep Waters MIDI loop kit. It just dropped with 30 loops, 30 MIDIs. Really good value because you get both in there. So I'll just play them through for you and then I'll cook up a beat. So yeah, you get all the MIDIs in there, so you can either follow along notes of it or make them your own. Choose a different patch for the melodies. So I'll just play them through quickly. All with the BPM and key as well, so you don't have to use the MIDI, you can just do whatever you want with them really. Really like that one. Might cook up with that one in a sec. That one's nice too. Gonna go with this one. Speed up to 140 instead. All the channels re-stretch with whatever BPM you're working on. Get the MIDI in there. Gonna add in a sampler with the MIDI on it. And add a counter melody. Go with this patch. I'm gonna clone it and try to do something cool with the second layer of it. Gonna half speed it. Turn down the attack and the release so it doesn't click every time it half times. Might actually pitch it up an octave. And I'm also gonna put in a gate. In this case, I'm gonna actually turn up the attack and release so the gate doesn't clip when it turns off. Throw on a reverb, make it sound like it's got more release to the gate. See how it sounds with the main melody. Gonna do a bit of EQ on that before I add the drums. Gonna use my Odyssey kit. Start with the claps. Just a little snare bounce in there. Gonna use the Actually, I'm going to use the Apex 808 and add some perks in now. And now the 808, make sure it's cutting itself there. Gonna add the kicks now. I'm gonna make them not hit every 808, just add them in for a bit of bounce. Maybe add a couple rolls in the hats every now and then. Gonna arrange that quick. Alright, I've just arranged it and I'll play that out in a sec. So I hope you guys enjoyed the preview. So 30 really high quality loops and 30 midis, really good value for what it's at, I think. So links in the description if you want to get that, and I'll see you guys in the next preview.